Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to install MySQL on your Windows system. So the first step is you go to your search bar, type in mysql.com, your completed, enter. Then next thing you go to downloads, scroll down to here where you have MySQL community downloads. Click it, then come down to MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, so you are here. You have to install MSI. I would prefer to go with this second one. You can see the size is higher, so you don't have to depend too much on the network when you're downloading, when you are installing. So I click on this. Then it gets to this side. It asks you to log in. Just put no thanks. Just start my download. Then the download just started. You can see it over here. The download just started. It's downloading. Yes, however, I already have it downloaded. So, okay, let's just leave it. I might want to stop download. Anyway, it's fast enough, pretty fast enough. So, next, it's completely downloaded. You open this. Then your installer, it's here. You click on the installer to install and follow the procedures. Okay, so when you get to this side, next thing you want to do is come down to custom, because you want to select what exactly you want to install, not allow the installer to do it on its own. So the next thing here is come to next. Then over here, click on the MySQL server, expand it more, expand. Then this last one, you move it to the products to be installed. Come to the next one, applications that you want to install along with it. Because as you have MySQL, you need something to run it or to view and do activities on it. So you might need your workbench and your shell. So let's install the workbench. Let's add the workbench. Just added the workbench. Then the shell. Just added the shell now. So we are good here. So just go with next. Okay, so for some computers, if you don't have Microsoft Visual Redistribution, something of sort on your system, it will ask you for that package. So you might need to go and download this software, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistribution, and install it on your system before you can continue with your installation. But I have installed that, so I want to continue with my installation. Then I click on execute, and pretty simple, the installation have started. This might take a while, so I might want to pause this video until it's completely done. It's pretty fast anyway, but I don't want to waste time. Okay, so the installation is completed now. We want to go to the next process. Okay, ready to configure next. Everything is pretty next. You have this, okay. Just go next, show advanced login options. No, just click next. Okay, you want to choose the authentication method, use legacy authentication method. Use strong password encryption for authentication. Okay. So using the old MySQL legacy authentication. No, let's just go with what we have here. Attention, this new authentication plugin on the server side various new versions of connectors. Okay, so let's just go with the recommended one next. Okay, so you want to put your MySQL root password. Okay, you put your password, you repeat the password. I'll be doing mine here. I'll pause it while I'm doing that. Okay, so I'm done inputting my password. So next, I just want to go next. Okay, okay, standard system account. Next, pretty much next. Okay, yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows service. Okay, and the administrators group only. Other users and groups will not have access to just running the Windows service. Okay, yes, but let me review and configure the level of access. You have manage permission after setting. Okay, so let's just use the first one. Okay, and next, you for the configurations to be applied, just click execute, and you can see it executing, executing, starting the server, applying security settings, updating the start menu link, and it's all done. So click finish, and go to the next again. Then okay, copy to log. I want to copy to log. That's if you want a copy log to clipboard here. So do you want to start the MySQL Workbench? So let me just start two of them immediately after this. So you can see the shell opened. Then Workbench is going to open also. Workbench is open now. So um, this brings the tutorial today to an end. I hope you've learned something from the video. Thank you. See you next time.